Good morning, students. This is Rahul, sir, and we are going to continue our exercise 15.1. Now, let's come to the question number 15, and the question is saying find the perimeter of this rectangle. The rectangle is given here. The diagram I have made A, B, C, D. Okay, here two sides are given, that is DC is given 12 centimeter, 12, and AC, that diagonal is given 13. And as we know that rectangular has a right angle at point D, obviously, so ADC will become a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. I will put the values here. 30 square equal to AD square plus DC value is given 12 and 12, so 12 square. So 13 square 169, AD square plus 12 square is 144. We will solve this, then we will get AD square equal to 25. Take the square root of both sides, so AD will be equal to 5. Now, as we know that in rectangular, the opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. So AD is equal to BC equal to 5, as we have found here. So let's call this B. Now DC is equal to AB, and DC is given 12, so AB will also be equal to 12, and that is L. So perimeter of the rectangle, we have a formula 2L plus B. So 2, 12 plus 5, that is 17, and 17 to is 34. So this is how we solve question number 15. Now let's move to the next question. We have a question here, question number 17. In this question, we have to find out the diameter of the diameter is given, and we have to find out the circumference in nearest millimeter. Okay, so diameter is given 30 centimeters. We have the formula C equal to circumference C is equal to pi D. So pi value is 22 upon 7 into D value is 30. We will multiply and divide this. Now here it is given nearest value in millimeter, so the value is in centimeter, and the decimal value, that means 0.2 is millimeter. Okay, so we have to find out only the solution up to 1 decimal point. Okay, we can also find out more than that, but here we have to find out only up to 1 decimal point. Okay, so this is what we have to solve here. Now let's move to next question, that is question number 20. Here a round plate has a circumference of 145 centimeter. Along the diameter 57, 24, 49 centimeter and 145 centimeter, which could be that of the smallest box in which the plate could be placed. Now listen. Here, first of all, the circumference of the plate has been given, that is circumference of the plate is at the question it is written 145 centimeter. Now we have formula C equal to pi D. We will put the value of C, that is 145 is equal to pi value is 22 upon 7 into D. We will solve this, we will get D is equal to 46.13 centimeter. That means we now got the diameter of our plate, that is 46.13 centimeter, and we have to find out the smallest box size in which the plate can be packed. Okay, so obviously diameter of the plate is 46, so here D1 is 24 centimeter, so it can't be, the box size should not be 24 because it will not fit in that one. Next one is D2 is 49. Now 49, here 49 is just larger than 46. Okay, so here we can put our plate. Okay, next 57 is also larger than 46, so we can also put the plate in this one also, but this is a little bit larger. In before that we already have 49, so 49 is the smallest one where we can pack our plate, so box size will be 49 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. Now let's move to the question number 22. Here we have Here we have uh, the question is saying we have square has 15 side of 15 centimeter and they have been placed just one beside another. So I had made the diagram here. We have the diagram of A B C D as first square, and the second square is just beside this one, B E F C. Okay, these two are two separate squares and these are placed one beside another. Okay, now the rectangle formed by these two squares will be AEFD. Okay, then rectangle will be formed as AEFD. So rectangle or perimeter of the rectangle will be AE plus EF plus FD plus DA, and we will write all the values. Now listen, AE is 15. AE is 15 plus 15. Okay, 15 plus 15, and EF is 15. Okay, FD will be 15 plus 15 and DA will be again 15. Okay, so P is 90 centimeter. Okay, now this is our solution of the question number 21. Now let's move to question number 22, and this one is a quite good question, so please pay attention in this one. So what is asking, two rectangular pieces of paper strips each of length 30 centimeter and width 3 centimeter are pasted at right angle to make the shape of a cross. Find the perimeter of the cross. So what it is given here, that two strips are placed one over the another at a right angle, like I have made. Okay, like this is making a cross. So we have to find out the perimeter. That means outer sides of this cross. Okay, so what we can do here, we can take the perimeter of this rectangle, one strip. The perimeter of one rectangular strip will be 2 into 30 plus 3, that is 66 centimeter. Now perimeter of the two strips, that will be 132, twice of that 66, 132. Okay, now please pay attention. The inside is, if we place two strips one above the another, we will form a square inside these two strips, and these sides will not be counted as the sides because these are coming inside this diagram. Okay, inside this cross, so these cannot be counted as the outer sides, so we have to remove this one. So these are not perimeter. Okay, so we have to remove this one. So for this, finding out this, we can find out the perimeter of the square which is formed ABCD. ABCD is a square. We have to find out the perimeter of this one, and we can reduce from the our cross perimeter. So perimeter of square is 4 into s. We have the formula 4s. So 4 into s is 3. So 12, 4 3 are 12. This is the perimeter of square. Now perimeter of cross will be perimeter of two strips minus perimeter of square ABCD. So perimeter of two strips is 132 minus square perimeter, that is 12. Subtract this, 120 centimeters. So this is how we solve this question. Thank you.